All right, let's talk about the 20th Congress very briefly. There are reports that Senator Bam Aquino and Senator Kiko Pangilinan will be siding with the majority or possibly voting for Senate President Cheese Escudero. What does this mean for you and the minority? What happens now?
Well, lahat ng iyon, Karen, will be finalized on the morning of July 28, yung opening of session. That's when each and every one of us senators will decide and cast our vote for about which block in the Senate will we be joining. Merong mga sasama sa majority, merong magbubuo ng minority. There's still a third option I had thought about early on, na kung hindi ako sasama either sa majority or minority, tumayo bilang independent senator. So bawat isa sa amin responsable at accountable sa aming mga desisyon. Kung I cannot speak for any of my colleagues, kahit pa yung dalawang pinakamalapit sa akin, guess it's best to ask them eventually kung ano yung magiging desisyon nila at kung ano yung kanilang gagawin o di gagawin. I do look forward to working with them in any and all capacity sa mga common advocacies namin sa loob ng Senado. Pero
But Senator, Senator, you I wanted to ask you, you campaigned for them vigorously.
Yes,
I mean, you were in a way, you were quite popular at this point in time when you went all out campaigning for them. Do you feel a sense of betrayal?
No, I don't feel a sense of betrayal kasi just as I can speak only for myself, yung sarili ko lang kalooban ang pwede kong panghawakan. I respect whatever decision my colleagues, even my closest colleagues, will make. And para sa akin, I just keep my eye on the ball, which is patuloy na palakasin yung opposition, di lang sa loob, pero lalo na sa labas ng Senado. And I will continue to apply myself to that task.